Good day, everyone. Today's game is Snake and Ladder, and we're going to use Snake and Ladder under the context of Stalin's Russia. So, in this game, we have to survive the challenges that are being faced under Stalin's Russia by reaching the first 100 blocks. The first one to reach block 100 is the winner. Here's how it starts. Thank you.
Afterwards, basically, we are going to illustrate on how the snakes and the ladders contribute towards our game. So when a person climbs the ladder, it basically means is that it is a regime successes. And then once a person falls under the snakes, it is basically a fallback or a setback on our game. Afterwards, we are going to explain how each and every block of our game is going to be on about. From block 7 to 17, it is what? It is the context of what? Collectivization famine. And from block 32 to 54, it is the Great Purge. And then from block 17 to 63, it is Kulak labor camp punishment. 36 to 87, it is the Great Terror. Mass accusation, ordinary citizen accused of the treason. And then from 75 to 95, it is the failure in industries, shortage and heavy punishment. From 79 to 98, it is the party rivalries and the paranoia. And then we go back to our squares again, which we are going to explain from block number 2 to 37. It is the what? Stalin consolidates power after Lenin's death. From block 4 to 15, it is the first 5-year plan launches whereby Stalin took place, and then you want to implement a propaganda for rapid industrialization. From 9 to 31, it is the collectivization promoted as a modernization of farming. And then from 21 to 42, it is education reforms, expand literacy and indoctrination. 28 to 84, it is victory in the Great Patriotic War. From 51 to 67, it is the industry and scientific progress. 72 to 91, it is the USSR emerges as a superpower in the Eastern Bloc post-World War II. From 80 to 99, it is the cult of personality, whereby Stalin's glorified as the father of nations. Thank you. And then instructions when the player lands on the question marks. This is when a player lands on a question mark, they must answer the question based on Stalin. For example, let's take for instance block number 10. If a player is asked a question on block number 10 where there is a question mark, and then the player does not answer the question correctly, which means the player is going to do what? Is going to move backwards with 2 squares. And then if the player answers the answer correctly, she or he is going to take 3 squares forward. And then the emojis are squares, which means that is a bonus. Thank you.
We are going to use 2 dice and 2 buttons. Then each player will have 1 dice and 1 button.